By the end of this video, you will know how to set up recurring billing in Wave. Start by logging into your Wave account. Once you are signed in, look to the left-hand menu. This is where you will move into the area used for billing and invoice management. Click Sales and Payments, and then select Recurring Invoices. That opens the section where Wave stores recurring invoice schedules that run automatically based on the settings you choose. From there, click Create Recurring Invoice. This opens a new recurring invoice form. At this stage, you are setting up the invoice itself before defining when it will repeat. The first thing to add is the customer you want to bill. Select the correct customer from your list. If you have several similar customer names, take a moment to confirm you have picked the right one before moving on. Next, enter the invoice details. Add the items you are billing for, then set the quantity and price for each item. Continue by reviewing the payment terms so the due date behavior matches what you want this customer to receive. If you need to include any additional information, add it in the notes field. This is the part that forms the invoice your customer will see each time the recurring billing schedule sends one out, so it is worth checking each field carefully as you go. When the invoice details are in place, click Save and Continue. That moves you to the scheduling section for the recurring invoice. Here, you will configure how often the invoice should be created and sent. Select the billing frequency that matches your arrangement with the customer, then choose the start date. This start date determines when the recurring schedule begins, so make sure it lines up with your intended billing cycle. If the recurring billing should stop after a certain point, add an end date. If there is no planned stop date, leave that setting as needed based on what Wave allows in your account. The key part here is making sure the schedule reflects the actual timeline you want, because these settings control the repetition of the invoice after it is activated. After that, review the recurring invoice settings. Look over the customer, invoice details, billing frequency, start date, and any end date you entered. This final review helps catch billing errors before the schedule goes live. If something does not look right, correct it before saving. Once everything looks correct, click Save to activate the recurring billing schedule. Wave will then store the recurring invoice and use the schedule you configured to bill that customer going forward. Your recurring billing schedule in Wave is now set up and active.